Here are some tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle with diabetes. Balanced diet. Focus on whole grains, lean proteins, vegetables, and fiber-rich foods to help control blood sugar levels. Portion control. Monitor portion sizes, especially with carbohydrates, to prevent blood sugar spikes. Regular exercise. Engage in moderate exercise like walking or swimming for 30 minutes daily to help regulate glucose levels. Monitor blood sugar. Check blood sugar levels regularly and adjust your diet or activity as needed based on the readings. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in blood sugar management and overall health. Stress management. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation, as stress can affect blood sugar levels. Get regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider regularly to monitor your diabetes and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to make this type of video.